The objective of this accounts payable job is to pay invoices and enter orders. The equipment used includes a desk, file cabinets and drawer storage, rolling file bins, overhead cabinets, a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse and mouse pad, a phone, an adding machine, an adjustable height chair, a wastebasket and recycle bin, a footrest, desktop organizers, a coffee maker, and a space heater. The tools used include a stapler, tape, pens, and highlighters. The materials used include documents and staples. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and air conditioning. The personal protective equipment used included computer glasses. The worker observed was 5 feet 4 inches tall. The work methods for the observed accounts payable job include: workers will get and position documents. Workers also review written payment requests. Workers will enter data. They also staple or paperclip documents. Workers additionally flip documents. This worker estimated that 90% of her time is spent using the computer. This worker spends very little time on the phone. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the accounts payable position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium-high pace. Hands were in constant steady motion and exertion while completing work tasks. Sustained exertions were observed and included sitting at the desk to use the computer. Note that the chair backrest is not always used. Arms positioned over the keyboard while typing or on the mouse. Forceful exertions were required to use the keyboard and mouse, file documents, and move the chair. Awkward postures were observed and include neck flexion or forward bending to view text on paper positioned on the desktop, torso flexion, extended reach, forearm pronation, and wrist extension or backwards bending to use the keyboard, mouse, and adding machine. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the elbow and the desktop. The recommendations for the accounts payable job include: consider using a floor mat to decrease forceful exertions when moving the chair. Consider using a document stand to decrease posture stress when using paper documents. Investigate electronic methods for entering the payment information to decrease posture stress and repetition. Use the mouse with both the dominant and non-dominant hands, or use the mouse with only the non-dominant hand to reduce the repetition and posture stress exposure. Consider positioning the mouse closer to the body to reduce posture stress. If possible, plan work tasks to include a variety of positions and minimize exposure to stressful activities. Provide padding for the desktop areas as needed to reduce localized contact stress. Investigate the ability of using voice commands while using the computer to decrease sustained exertions and posture stress. Investigate sit-stand workstations to reduce static exertions and incorporate posture changes during the workday. Appropriate adjustable keyboard trays and monitor arms will be required to achieve the range of adjustability needed for keying, using the mouse, and viewing the monitor while sitting and standing. Investigate adjustable chairs to provide lumbar and arm support and reduce posture stress. Consider chairs with features including adjustable seat pan, height and tilt, independently adjustable backrest, height and tilt, adjustable lumbar support in the backrest, waterfall seat pan edge, adjustable height, position, rotation armrests that are also removable and padded, and casters on a 5-point base.